Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to make Apple Maps default. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open the Apple Maps on one of your Apple devices. So it can be an iPad, iPhone, or a Mac. Then you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you, but you'll have your location where you are at the moment. Now let's see what we have in front of us here. As you can see, we have the search maps, we have the search bar, we have your profile, and we have your favorite locations, which you can go and set up, and you have some recent locations in the bottom of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and make Apple Maps default. So go to the settings app on your device and scroll down and tap on Safari. So that is the browser of Apple. Then in the Safari settings, tap on extensions. From the list of extensions, select Open in Apple Maps, which is of course the app that we're using now. Tap the toggle switch to enable the extension. Under permissions, tap all websites and then allow. This will ensure that whether you click on a location link in Safari, it will open in Apple Maps instead of another map app, if you of course have another app map on your iPhone. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.